all you cool cats and kittens. It's Andrea Shenanigans here, bringing you a refrigerator clean and organization video. If you like this kind of video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up, subscribe before you leave, and let's jump right in. So I don't know about you guys, but since this whole quarantine, social distancing, shelter in place thing, I just literally have not wanted to do anything. I have not wanted to clean. I have not wanted to organize. I have not wanted to cook. It has been, I guess, emotionally draining to the point where I just don't want to do much. So this day I decided, you know what? I'm going to get my butt in gear. I'm going to clean out my fridge. It desperately needed it, especially because we had just gone to the grocery store and I needed room for the new groceries that we picked up. So that's why I decided this day was the perfect day to go ahead and just get it done. So the cleaning product that I'm using is the Anti-Bacs by Method. I just like this. I like the scent of it. It's kind of like a pepperminty, minty kind of scent. And it's antibacterial, so you know your fridge probably has a lot of bacteria, even though it's cold in there. So that's what I decided to use to clean out my fridge today. So organization-wise, I'm trying to keep all the juices together, all the alcohol together, all the eggs together, stuff that's in jars on the same side, just so it's easier to see everything. And I've also decided to start putting all of my leftovers on the top shelf, just so as soon as I open the fridge up, I can see what leftovers are there and they're not constantly getting pushed to the back of the fridge and forgotten about. All right, y'all, I was pretty disgusted by how nasty the condiment side of my fridge was looking. As you can see here, there was a lot of sticky, gunky stuff caked on the bottom of the shelf. And you just don't see it because everything's crammed in there. Like, we are a condiment family. We like lots of condiments in our household. And I was kind of shook that it was so nasty in there. So definitely check out your condiment area, get rid of stuff that's out of date, and try to clean that out as much as possible, which I will definitely be doing from now on because I had literally no idea it was so gross and grody down there. So here is the finished product. I love how clean and organized everything looks. I think it came out really, really well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some motivation to clean out your fridge. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye!